How to clear the Steam download cache. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the download cache in Steam. This can help fix issues like stuck downloads, slow speeds, or games not updating. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Steam app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the Steam, just look at the top left corner and there simply click on the Steam logo. And once you click on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply choose settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings window, simply look at the left sidebar and simply click on downloads tab. And now here, once inside the downloads, simply scroll down and click on the button that says clear download cache. And once you click on it, a pop-up will appear asking if you are sure for that. So just click on confirm, and after that Steam will now clear the cache and log you out. So here you need to log in again, and that's it. Now your Steam download cache is cleared, and this should have solved most common download related issues. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.